Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today, but I have a gem for y'all. I need y'all to lock in. I need y'all to take your notes. Hopefully you got your pen and paper, right? Today, we're going to be talking about the Bluevine business credit card, right? But before we get into the Bluevine business credit card, I'm going to show you what you need to do to even qualify or even apply for this credit card, right? So let's go over to here, right here. This is the business checking account built for you, which is really good. Now, you can open up a Bluevine business checking account, fill it out. Let me just click in so you can just see real quick. Click in, go ahead, pick your business type, first, last name, email, phone number, create password. If you have a referral code, put it in there and get started when it comes to the business checking account, right? Why? Because Bluevine is giving out the bag. People, listen to me clearly. They're giving out the bag, but you gotta follow the steps. The first step is opening up that business checking account. You're looking for some business line of credit. You're looking for some capital for your business, whatever it may be. They are willing to work with you and give you that funding, but you got to follow the steps. So again, go over, open up a business checking account with Bluevine and start depositing some funds in it, right? And the good thing before we get into credit card, which is, pretty simple and pretty quick, for all those that be asking me the questions, they're in my emails, they sending me messages all the time and asking me, where can I get some business funding off of bank statements? Well, people, listen up. It's right here in front of you. Work with Bluevine. You could get some funding off your deposits, off your statements. This is easy and this is simple, right? So let's go over to the credit card, since you already know what you need to do first before you even think about even considering applying for this business credit card. Now I'm gonna let you know, now they're known for pulling, again, Experian on the personal side, right? So they will initially will give you a hard inquiry when it comes to this credit card on the personal side, but it don't report to the personal side, right? So every transaction that you're using with this credit card, you will be building your business credit. People, yes, your Experian business, your Dun & Bradstreet, your Equifax business, you will be building those scores if you apply and get approved for this business credit card, which is really good. Now, you're gonna earn back 1.5% cash back on everything that you're gonna be purchasing. It won't be no higher. You won't be getting 2%, 3% on this purchase. No, 1.5% on everything that you purchase, no annual fees. And again, you will build that business credit with Bluevine, which is really good. And if you got employees, you'll be able to get cards for them, to get the authorized users. You will be able to do that. If you're looking into a hack to build your business credit scores, people, this is it. Go ahead, open up that business checking account. And again, look right here, get the business checking account. You're looking for business loans, business lines of credit, term loans, SBA loans. They have it all, and they will give you approvals off your bank statements, people. So, this is an easy gem I wanted to bring to you. And again, what kind of score you need to have on that personal side when it's time to apply for this business credit card. You want to come at least on the low end of 650, nothing lower if you consider. And if you want those high limits, you're going to have to be around that 700 and plus credit score to get that. Now, I did all the research. Now, this credit card is known ranging from anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 right there. That's kind of the window with Bluevine, which is really good. So if you get approved for that $20,000 limit, again, you could do a lot. You want some supplies. If you got an e-com store, you need to buy inventory or whatever it may be, this might be the card for you. Again, I want to see everybody win, but it starts with you. Stop being lazy. You got to do the work, man. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.